I've always loved writing songs about nature. Nature is something that has always been a big inspiration on my music. I've grown up in places in Wales where I've been always surrounded by nature, like mountains and trees and the sound of birds when you wake up and sheep in the fields and stuff. And it's something that's it's a comforting theme for me.
The leaves of the forest tremble in the snow, reflecting the sunlight streaking frozen ponds with gold.
We've had a really fascinating time putting this project together. It started off with myself and Kizzy meeting up at a piano with her guitar and writing this music from scratch, really. And Kizzy is very passionate about the rainforest, and she's a huge fan of using nature in general as a subject matter for her music.
The improvisation part of the project was an incredible thing to have as a string player. Although this is something that I want to see myself doing more of, it was absolutely a challenge. It's just amazing how much you can learn from so many people in such a short space of time. Really, people fell in love with the music and the subjects of Birdsong. It's been fascinating to see the different parts of Wales, and also reveling in a bit of the language as well, and hearing people speak it, which has been quite fascinating.
It's a collection of songs based on the Carngafallt forest, and it's a collaboration between Kizzy and Gwilym. They've written some songs and Gwilym's written the arrangements, and we're experimenting with how to make natural noises and bird noises, and I guess a celebration of nature.
In the writing process, it was always very important to stay close to the message, the important message of the whole concert, which is, we must not lose touch of nature and not always be on our computers and phones, and every now and then take some time out and go into the countryside and appreciate the beautiful landscape that we have here in Wales and beyond.
And then it's been fantastic working with Sinfonia Cymru and the way that they've approached the music, taking ownership of the music in a way that's maybe slightly different from normal classical music. It's been a real joy to work with them, and I wanted to create some places in the music where they could improvise and not just have to play written music on the page.
Just throwing yourself head first and discovering new things, especially on the topic of sounding like a bird. Because I don't know how much a cello can sound like a bird, but we can try. They've taken that very much to heart and done things with the music that are far above what I could have ever expected.
And it's been an absolute joy to work with Gwilym Simcock and Sinfonia Cymru. It's been amazing.